Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. We are looking at the stock price of JX Luxventure Limited. So this company produces clothing and other apparel for men aged between roughly 20 to 40 years, and they are based out of China, and they also have a line of products for babies. So they operate one corporate store and they have a bunch of other stores which are franchised. As you can see, the stock price is up about 34% today. And if you look at the graph, you can see that it was up even higher, but it's slowly creeping down. So this company, as you know, with other Chinese stocks, lost a lot of its value when the events that are taking place in Ukraine started, and right now we are seeing some kind of recovery, and especially for JX Luxventure Limited. You can see the volume is up 70 million compared to an average of 1.6 million shares that would be traded on a normal day. So these are extraordinary times, and I'm not surprised that many of the Chinese companies that were downgraded or lost a lot of their value due to the situation taking place in the Donbass will recover very nicely when peace returns. Also, if you look at what the analysts think, short term they are bullish, mid-term they're bullish, and long-term they're neutral. So this is a very fantastic stock which I think has a lot of headroom. Anyways, do your own due diligence and invest wisely. Whatever be the case, I wish you good luck in your investments.